Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonur. I am from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to draw a section in Revit. So sections are drawn to see the cut part of any building. So sections are found in your view tab here. If you will go to view tab here, you can see this section here, and this is used to create a section view. So section views cut through the model. You can draw them in plan, section, elevation and detail views. So now I'm going to select this section here, and this is my small project of residence, and this is ground floor, and there are only ground plus one and terrace. So you can rename them also. You can right click and rename this also. So after selecting your section line, you can draw any section of building, any part like vertical, horizontal or zigzag shape or diagonally. You can draw this section line. So you can draw section like horizontal. So suppose I want to see this section part of this staircase. So section through a staircase we can draw, and after drawing this line you can see this is the section arrow which is looking upward. And if you'll use this arrow, this is for flip section. So if I'm going to select this, it will look downwards, so you can see the downwards sectional part of building. And again, if you click this, you can flip this to upwards direction. So now it is looking upwards, so it will cut section through upward direction. And here you can see cycle section tail. So if you will use this rotate here, you can uh, uh, change the direction of this arrowhead, and this arrowhead will be appearing in the both directions. So again you can click this, and again if you click this, it will be no tail here, and again if you click this, the both arrowhead will be appearing here. So now I'm going with the default one, and you can see this is the boundary region where the section will appear. So if you want to see the section throughout this area, you can use this default one, or you can reduce this part also. So suppose if I'm going to uh, view this whole region, and you can see the sectional view. How you can see this, you can directly double click here, this section here. If I'm going to double click here, you will be this section here. You can see this is the section of the building, and you can also view this section here. If I'm going to close this here, you can go to your project browser, and if you come down here, you can see this the section part. You can double click here, and you can see this is the section 1. And if you click this, you can view your section from here also. So anyways, you can view your section, that's up to you. So now you can select and edit this also. And if you'll click delete here, you can delete your section here. It is asking view section 1 will be deleted. So if you want to delete this section, you can press the delete on your keyboard. So this is, and you can see some text are appearing here, and when you are taking the prints on the sheets, you can edit this section also. So now I'm going to select this section here, and I'm going to reduce this arrowheads. And suppose I want to view till here only staircase part, and now I'm going to double click this. You can see no doors and windows on the backward sides, is only staircase part is available here, and whatever in that region it's available, and there is no window doors, you can see here. So suppose if I am going to select this, and I want to view this both doors, so you can increase this region here. And now if I'm going to double click this, you can see these doors and windows here. So likewise, you can use this section part here. And now I'm going to select this section, and you can go to edit type also here, and you can go to edit type, and now you can see some settings here. This is the callout tag. and call out head width 1 by 8 inches the corner radius. So if I'm going to select this section and going to edit type, you can change this also, and you can change the call out head also. And if you select this, and you can see some settings here, and you can change the radius also. I'm going to make this 1 by 4 inches radius, and you can see this is the call out radius. Here you can change this also. And now this is the section tag, section head, field, section tail. You can see this is the section tail, and if you select this, you can change this section tags also, and you can select this section head no arrow. I'm going to apply. You can see there is no arrow. And if I'm going to select section head open, it will be open. You can see the both sections here. And you can also select this section tail and field horizontal. Any of the section tail you can apply here. So likewise you can do some settings, and reference level is same. So these all you can utilize in your project. So now I'm going to draw one section vertically here, and can use any of the directions. This is another section, so I'm going with this one, and I will tell you how you can edit this section here. And suppose if you want to do a good presentation to your project, you can select this, and you can select the roof, and I'm going to edit type here. And now I'm going to change this course fill pattern, and I will select this. I will select this three dot, and now I'm going to use solid fill. Okay, and you can apply this. You can see this all roofs are in solid fill. So likewise you can do a quick sectional presentation to your project, and later on you can utilize Revit structure to show beams and columns. So for architectural, it is a good way to show your sectional view. Suppose if you want to show your beam also in the wall, you can draw a beam here to represent, and you can go to your annotate tab here, and you can utilize this filled region, and you can utilize solid black. So suppose if you want to show beam here, you can mark in your sectional view. You can utilize the sizes of the beam as per your design, and you can show this beam section here. And so this is the better way to represent that you are thinking about the structural part of the building also in this section, so that your client will understand and contractor also can understand it if you don't have time for Revit structure. So again, I'm going to my field region here, and I'm going to create a beam here of the same size. So likewise you can use this, and for walls you can utilize this course fill pattern. And now I'm going for this wall hedge diagonal up here, and you can click this and apply. So likewise you can see this is diagonal hedge here, so it will be very easy for clients or a structural consultant to understand this. So likewise you can show some beams here also. So you can go to your annotate tab here, and you can utilize field region, and you can show this beam and roof part here like this. And likewise you can represent some roof and beam here also. So you can adjust the sizes as per your choice. And now I'm going to select this floor here, and I'm going to edit type, and I'm going to select this course fill pattern, and I will use this solid fill only. So it will look very better in your presentation. So likewise, you can present this sectional view to your client and it will save you a lot of time. So this is the better way of drawing section in Revit, and it is not that much difficult. So hope you have liked this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I will come with some more interesting topics in Revit. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.